I don't think people understand the epic return of Gladiator. Why are there not more people talking about it? Gladiator II's first trailer is here to blow your mind. Lucius is back, all grown up and ready for combat. Played by Spencer Treat Clark, he's traded the innocence of childhood for the brutal life of a gladiator. And guess who he's up against? None other than Denzel Washington's powerful and scheming Maximus, and General Marcus Acacius, a loyalist to the legendary General Maximus. The crowd is chanting, the emperors are thirsty for blood, and the Colosseum has never looked so intense. This trailer promises not just a battle, but a spectacle of epic proportions. Mark your calendars for November 22nd because this is one cinematic showdown you won't want to miss. Alongside big releases like Deadpool and Wolverine, Gladiator II is set to be one of the most anticipated films of 2024. Get ready to witness history in the making. See you at the Colosseum. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic updates.